What does a steady red signal mean? A. Slow down and proceed if no traffic is coming. B. Come to a complete stop and remain stopped as long as the signal is red. C. Proceed with caution. D. Increase speed and clear the intersection quickly. Answer B. Come to a complete stop and remain stopped as long as the signal is red. If a traffic signal is not working, you should A. Continue at the same speed and cross the intersection. B. Only stop if traffic is approaching from other directions. C. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. D. Wait for a police officer to direct traffic. Answer C. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. A steady yellow signal indicates A. The signal is about to change to green. B. An ambulance is approaching. C. Pedestrians have priority. D. The signal is about to change to red. Answer D. The signal is about to change to red. What does a steady green arrow signal allow you to do? A. Stop completely before proceeding. B. Turn in the direction of the arrow after yielding to pedestrians and vehicles. C. Reverse direction. D. Ready to clear the intersection. Answer B. Turn in the direction of the arrow after yielding to pedestrians and vehicles. When turning on a red signal from a one-way street to another one-way street, you must A. Accelerate through the intersection. B. Yield the right-of-way to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. C. Ignore pedestrian crossings. D. Wait for the green signal. Answer B. Yield the right-of-way to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. If the traffic signal changes to a steady yellow as you approach, what should you do? A. Stop if it is safe to do so. B. Speed up to avoid red light. C. Continue at the same speed. D. Turn immediately to avoid stopping. Answer A. Stop if it is safe to do so. A steady red arrow signal requires drivers to A. Proceed in the direction of the arrow with caution. B. Prepare to turn in the direction of the arrow. C. Stop and remain stopped as long as the arrow is red. D. Turn right only. Answer C. Stop and remain stopped as long as the arrow is red. When can you turn left on a red signal in Maryland? A. From a one-way street onto a two-way street. B. From a two-way street onto another two-way street. C. From a one-way street onto another one-way street. D. Never. Answer C. From a one-way street onto another one-way street. How should you react to a non-functioning traffic signal at an intersection? A. Treat it as yielding to all directions. B. Proceed with caution without stopping. C. Wait for a signal repair technician. D. Stop and proceed when safe. Answer D. Stop and proceed when safe. What action is required at a steady yellow arrow signal? A. Prepare to stop. B. Accelerate through the intersection. C. Turn immediately without checking traffic. D. Ignore the signal if no vehicles are in the intersection. Answer A. Prepare to stop. What should you do when you encounter a flashing red signal at an intersection? A. Yield to traffic on your right only. B. Stop and proceed when it is safe. C. Continue without stopping. D. Only stop if pedestrians are present. Answer B. Stop and proceed when it is safe. A flashing yellow signal requires drivers to A. Stop completely before proceeding. B. Speed up to clear the intersection quickly. C. Slow down and proceed with caution. D. Turn immediately in any direction. Answer C. Slow down and proceed with caution. How should you respond to a red X signal over a lane? A. Speed up to pass quickly. B. Change lanes as soon as it is safe. C. Continue to use the lane if no other vehicles are present. D. Stop immediately in the lane. Answer B. Change lanes as soon as it is safe. What does a green arrow signal above a lane indicate? A. You must move out of the lane immediately. B. You may use this lane. C. The lane is only for emergency vehicles. D. You should prepare to stop. Answer B. You may use this lane. A steady yellow X signal over a lane means A. You may turn left if no traffic is coming from the opposite direction. B. Accelerate to clear the lane faster. C. The lane is closed indefinitely. D. You must exit the lane as soon as it is safe to do so. Answer D. You must exit the lane as soon as it is safe to do so. What is indicated by a flashing yellow X signal? A. The lane is open for left turns. B. The lane is only for right turns. C. All vehicles must stop and yield to oncoming traffic. D. The lane direction is reversing. Answer A. The lane is open for left turns. What should you do if a flashing red signal is located at a railroad crossing? A. Only stop if a train is visible. B. Wait for a green signal before proceeding. C. Continue with caution without stopping. D. Stop and proceed when the way is clear. Answer D. Stop and proceed when the way is clear. What should you do upon encountering reversible lane signals? A. Follow the signs and signals to determine the correct direction of travel. B. Always stay in the rightmost lane to avoid confusion. C. Ignore the signals if traffic is light. D. Use any lane, regardless of the signal. Answer A. Follow the signs and signals to determine the correct direction of travel. On some roads, traffic in some lanes can go in one direction during certain hours of the day, and the other direction during other hours. This is based on how heavy traffic is at different times of day. These are called reversible lanes. Lane use signals tell you which direction you can go. The lanes and their directions may be marked with signs, signals, and markings. What is the purpose of a crosswalk signal? A. To control the speed of vehicular traffic. B. To stop traffic so that pedestrians can cross the road safely. C. To alert drivers to increase their speed. D. To indicate that no crossing is allowed. Answer B. To stop traffic so that pedestrians can cross the road safely. How do pedestrians activate a crosswalk signal? A. By waiting at the curb. B. By crossing the road immediately upon arrival. C. By pushing a button on a pole on the side of the road. D. By waving at the signal. Answer C. By pushing a button on a pole on the side of the road.